On the Super 7 Edger, the wrench is located usually on the back of the machine. And it's a tension washer that holds the slotted paper in place. You can see the slots. This happens to be some 36 grit paper with a center hole, obviously, but you can also go this route, paper without a hole, and it's a loop type of hook and loop system. The hook part of the system goes on just like a piece of paper, like so. And then the loop part of the system is on the back of the abrasive, and that simply goes on like so. It's great because when you're grinding gummy finishes, this is a 16 grit or a number 4 piece of paper, and you can see on this particular floor how gummy the finish is. Saves a lot of time to be able to peel off the old piece and stick a new piece on. I'll say one thing though, and that is it's best to use this hook and loop system when the trim, when the base trim is off of the walls, because I find it difficult to maintain a nice edge with that system. So again, this is one way of doing it. And this is the other.